So before to do any practical, first means we require a discussion of what you learn and what are the advantages of this high logger and configuration. Am I right? And apart from that, I think so you study about DB contest as well, which we will just now we discussed only, but in the future we will implement that as well. Am I right?
Hmm.
So, and apart from that, if I am not wrong, we need to discuss about this. And in this practical, we touch upon a controller part as well, where we are using some, you can say, method like HTTP post and what are the responsibilities of controller, what are the responsibilities of services. Am I right?
Hmm.
So we'll touch upon those topics. I want, before jumping into this coding directly, I want to understand your point of view, what you learned. Do you have any question or concern? Otherwise, just explain what you studied so that if there is a gap, like in a knowledge of yours or Madhuri, Shraddha or Ajay, then we as a team we can fulfill that gap. You understand my point? And in this manner, you are also be ready for you can say to answer the or appear for an interview on a daily basis. If you will do this practice, then it's good for you guys. It's my suggestion only, but it's totally up to you. I can suggest only.
Yeah, that is right.
Shraddha
Okay.
Madhuri,
Yes, yes. That
one
is
by one,
really fine. Yes.
one by one, please.
This approach is completely fine.
I am
Yes,
so
sir.
saying you need to come up with your ideas because we are a team and you already gone through the theory part and have some understanding about the concepts. Am I right? So I
Yeah.
need to know means what you understand from this high logger, high configuration, why it's required, what is controller, why it's required, and what are the role and responsibility this controller will do. Am I right? And what is this contest?
Okay,
The
so
DB
yeah.
contest, yes.
Okay, so to start from me, I'll go with the concept I have gone through and what I have learned. So if anything is wrong, then just guide me. So at first, there was the iLogger, and as its name suggests, it is completely used to write the log or maintain the logs, record the events of the applications like errors and debugging. It is useful to trace the suppose in case any error or exception came across, and if we want to figure out it is exactly where is the exactly situation is and where is the exact what we can say setback of that application, so we can go through that warnings and error through the iLogger, which is already recorded. For that purpose, to record the all the events, iLogger is used, like to check with the behavior and to for the production support.
Okay, good. And what about Madhuri? What about this I configuration? What is that and why we require that?
So configuration is basically used to like if you want to read some value from our application, so there is a no need to write in every pages. So we can use it as through the configuration. We can write the configuration file in appsettings.json. So wherever we need that files, we can use it through the configuration. So like dependency injection, uh, we can inject the configuration in our service and we can use.
Okay. What is controller, Ajay?
Controller, uh, where we it is a start point of your page. There we will define the methods and the variables, right?
Okay, method and variable. Okay, let's say the for this it's a entry point. If we talk about it's a entry point, then I need to do validation. I need to make a database call. I need to, you can say, make a third party API. So where I will do that? I will do in a controller itself.
Mm, no, the I use controller uh, to create the methods get, post, put, patch. That methods I created in that, and in model view, I think in view or in model, the all the this database and things will go.
Yes, logic should be written in a your this
Hmm.
not in a this model. It should be a model is structure only. Data
Hmm.
how your data will look like, but service
Hmm.
will take care of these things. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Logic
Yeah.
like validation logic, interact with the
Hmm.
database. It will be taken care by service only.
Hmm.
Okay, and you will call the service here.
Okay.
And but definitely, why you require logger in a controller? Because it's already there in a, you can say your service, but still you require logger in your controller. Why?
Actually, I don't. I am not clear with logger.
Shall I
Shraddha,
try? The
yeah.
basically controller responsibility of the controller is just to handle the HTTP request and return the response. We are
Hmm.
not supposed to write a heavy business logic for the controller and make it complex or a
That is right.
highly we can't just make it heavy with the large business logic.
Hmm.
With the help of controller, with the iLogs, we can keep it separate instead of maintaining the track of the application events and errors and warnings. Instead of making it involving it in a controller, we can use iLogger and we can make it separate from the controller.
Okay.
Instead of writing it inside controller, we can write it in a, we can use iLogger and we
Hmm.
can call that whenever it is required or whatever the events are handling through the controller, we can just keep it separate with the iLogger.
So basically, why we require logger in a controller and service? Because we need to track the event from starting to end. Am I right?
Hmm.
If you don't have a reference in which controller this error occur or this event start, how you will track? Am I
Hmm.
right? So for logging is not for tracking the error only. The logger will answer us lot of things
Hmm.
like what is the error, why, where it's error, and what is the reason of that. And we will also, you can say, track the journey of the user as well. So we will get the answer who done this, why done this, means is this how many times attempt that, am I right? So that we can handle, you can say this attacks as well, am I right?
Hmm.
So these things are required. Okay. And why we require this configuration? Because let's say you are doing hard-coded values, using hard-coded values. Tomorrow, if you need to change something, then you need to do the change into your this whole program, which is a tedious task. Am I right?
Hmm.
And when you move forward for your environment, in a real world, we have a different environment. Am I right? And
Hmm.
there means things are changed. Am I right? If in that case everything is a hard coded, how you can manage the thing? How DevOps person can handle these things? Am I right? In
Yes.
that case, means each and every environment have their own configuration. Based on that, it will work. Am I right?
Hmm.
But
So
sir,
that
the logger and in logger, it totally up to us where we can use. It is not compulsory to for every controller in every service. We don't need to use it. Totally up to us where to use, right?
Yes.
no, ideally in a real scenario, monitoring is also required, Madhuri. Let's say you will deploy the things on a production, am I right? And you will get some error. How you will track that error? So it's a mandatory. Okay, monitoring is also mandatory. You understand, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now with this knowledge, go ahead. Means
Yes.
you can take the help from file. That's not an issue. Okay, you can take the help from file. That's not an issue.
Okay,
Okay.
this one, right? Complaint service is a class. 1 second.
Further, please put yourself on mute
Oh,
when you
sorry.
need to speak. Then you can unmute and speak.
Yeah, from where we can start? From
First,
Local.
we need to create
Local.
interface. Yeah, right.
Yes, go ahead, guys. It's your class.
means
First, we need to create the interface, and in interface, we need to define the methods whichever we are implemented in service. So first, you need to create the interface, create folder interface, and create one interface in that folder.
okay, we'll create a
You do
folder.
one thing. You do one thing. Whatever lab you're going to do, guys, first make a plan. Okay, because plan is required. You
Hmm.
understand my point? So because Madhuri also have experience there and she is, you can say, ahead from you guys. So Madhuri, please help team to make a plan so that you guys are able to execute that plan and you will feel confident. Okay. Okay, Madhuri, go ahead, please.
So, sir, first we create a interface. So in that interface, we write some methods whichever we are going to implement it in service.
But Madhuri, we created interface folder.
Right.
Then
In
what is the
interface
next step?
folder, we need to create one interface. Like if we same as we create a add a class, like that
Hmm.
only we add one interface file. So we need to add as a interface in that. Just like we just add as a class now, there is
Hmm.
a one more option like interface.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Add interface.
Then in interface we need to write the methods whichever we are implementing in service, like uh, this earlier we discussed about the society management system
Hmm.
project. So in that we are going to make one complaint controller. So in controller, we need three methods to get all complaints and all complaint by ID to create complaints. So like that, we create methods in that interface.
The method will be complaint, right?
Get all complaints. We can create one method as a get all complaints. Then second method is get complaint by ID.
So basically, it's depend upon your requirement, project to
Yes.
project.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Mm.
basically, here you can say whatever method, whatever controller will able to serve. Like it is able to serve. Let's say get your this whatever project you have. Let's say in that we have a user and means or product. Assume you have some services and based on ID, user want to get a service. Am I right?
Hmm.
So we'll write you can say this method by ID. Am I right?
Hmm.
And if user want to get a whole list, then you will say list of services. Am I right? And if you will give a provision to the user to update the service or admin to update the service, then you go with the update method, create method, delete method. Am I
Hmm.
right? It's totally depend upon you because it's a contract only.
Right.
And where and in which service will use this or implement this, who will give a definition of this method, what it will do. You understand my point? For that, I think so. You will open a. Let me tell you guys what you need to do. First, you need to create a first step. Write. Open a Word. Don't open this notepad because in this manner you are not able to this properly write down these things. Okay. Or you can open that file only. Just go there, please. Just open this foundation file.
Okay.
In a foundation work, go down, completely down. And here you are able to see this, whatever Madhuri is saying, it is mentioned here. Okay, go up. So this is a, you can say builder, okay. Society example, go up. Okay, go down. Down.
Interface.
Yes, this interface based design. Okay, so now this is a code. You can copy this for your reference. No. Below
This
example. For that, you need to create an interface folder. Later point of time, you can change this.
Okay. So here we will create, right?
Yes.
Interface folder we will create.
Just first folder. Yes. Interfaces.
Add interface.
New item. Here you yes interface and give the name to this interface, whatever you want to do.
But same name we will give, right?
Okay, just copy this. Just paste that. Paste the you can say code of that file. Yes, this. You need to create a same way you need to create a model. You need to copy this model as well from that file. And view model as well. Model you need to create.
With same name.
This is service. First
Model will be
complaint.
here class, right?
Yes.
Complaint. Okay. Then and complete create view model. This also we have to create.
Yes. For that code is already given in that file. You can copy from there to save our time. Okay.
From view we have to create from here, right?
View model folder. View model is there. You need to create a. If there is no folder, you need to create a one folder called view model.
Here new item.
Class.
Okay. Means Ajay.
Yeah.
Go down and check. There is a session number 12. Okay. So it's a implementation only. You can use that, please. Go down. This is the session number 12. Yes. This you need to use this. Okay. Like interface, create service folder, then iService, whatever is not there, no worries. We will cover that as well.
Create folder.
We already done that.
This
Already
we
done.
done. Create service folder. This we have to do.
Yes, yes.
This we have to create view model or not?
First, you
Yes,
just first follow that document,
Mhm.
and later on, later point of view, do that.
Services. Services. Create complaint services.
Yes, interface. I stand for interface. Okay.
Okay, this we already created.
Yes,
And
yes. So
this
you need to create a service.
create complaint service. So
You already created this. You need to move this code.
okay.
Not whole code, just this code and your import statement.
Hmm.
You require import statement as well. And here you are able to see web. We need to create a view model folder as well.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. There is a name is change. Yes. Your case is so different. Remove that web as well.
Hmm.
You need to create this folder. Okay, and you need to import this I complaint service as well.
Implement.
Yes, implement.
From here we can.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, go to that file.
This one.
No, 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 no. No, go to that file, please. File. Hold on. Go down, down. Create a basic complaint model. So you need to, this is a complaint model, which you are earlier you are not able to find that. You need to create that.
In model folder.
Yes.
We created.
But code is not there.
Yes.
Please.
Hmm.
Okay, so go to file again. Go to file again. Yes. View model. You need to create this folder and this file.
.cs.
First, yes.
Now we have to write this.
Okay. Now we need to register this. This is a way to register. Go down. Go down. This is a way to register your service. Okay. Like code. Okay. But before that, we need to resolve all the problem which we are right now we are facing in our code,
Yes.
like these. Okay. So first thing first means we are not able to get this service. Okay. For that, what you will do, just do one thing. Mm, just do one thing.
Hmm.
Go down, please. Go down, go down. Okay, I complain service. I complain service now. Okay, do one thing. Just clean this up. Clean this up. Remove the body of your this service, and we will rewrite this. No worries. Just remove these things
Everything.
inside a body. Everything. Yes. Yes. Remove this. Now you need to implement methods interface. So what is saying again? Could you scroll up? Does not implement interface method. I get complaints as saying. Get complaint as saying. So show potential fixes. Show potential fix. Last. Does not implement interface member I service. I see. Get all the things. Does not implement interface member I gonna create complaint as create complaint create not member I complaint create this. Okay. Member. Okay. Okay, no worries. Go to this interface, please. Go to this interface, iService. iServices. Okay, view model is missing. You need to import. Yes. And view model as well. Now go to your service, please.
Hmm.
Now we are good. Am I right?
Yes.
Now you need to open this program.cs file and do the linking so that it will means our framework will inject this dependency automatically.
Okay. In program.cs.
Yes. First to check this instruction, please, so that you can understand. This code is there,
Hmm.
and we need to register before this line.
Register the
builder.service.add scope below. Yes. Whole line.
I guess we have to paste there.
Program.cs.
Here, right?
Hold on. Hold on. Could you go back and check this is your program.ts file only?
Hmm.
Static this.
This is startup.
Hmm.
Startup. Yes,
Yes.
this is a file. Yes, you need to use this. And before app, we require this. Startup configuration and configuration get environment app. Hold on. Configuration. Go up, please. Where we are defining this app. Startup task. Uh, Okay, I think. Okay, Boris. So before this app, so these are different configuration. No worries. So for that, you need to do this configuration in a startup app. You need to do in a public startup is, and in a configuration, it's in a this line numbers 17 or 18. After 18 or before that, you need to paste that. Builder is not there.
Builder we have dependent. No, builder is not there.
Hold on. Setup group builder. No. It's a different project. That's why you're not able to do that. Could you, Madhuri, could you check out your end from where we are getting this builder?
Sir, actually, in my project, there is a no file called startup.cs. I have only one file, program.cs.
No worries.
So in that file, after that, the Ajay have recently copied that code, like var app is equal to builder.build. Above that, I pasted that code, or below anything. I think he need to paste that also. Like just he copied var app, so he don't have the builder in his file. Yes.
We are
But,
supposed to declare that builder. Yeah, builder.
but builder from just a minute.
This is 2019.
So I have 2022. Yes.
That's a issue.
Hmm.
That's a issue.
For
No,
creating the project, you create core and only core project like with MVC.
Yes, same I did.
okay, no worries, guys.
Like I will show 1 second. Create new.
Hmm.
Is this one.
Yes. Mm. Yes.
Out of sport. Why are you using this .NET 5? Because now we have a 10 as well.
But 10 it is not working here.
Okay, with this.
It's licensed. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. There are no issues. Madhuri can take that up.
Hmm.
Madhuri, could you take
Okay.
that up, please? Madhuri already done this part. So, Ajay, well done. Did great job. And now, if you are able to see whatever is there, it's according to your this latest version. But for your version, I will update that file. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So right now you are able to see we are creating a builder here.
Hmm.
Okay. So this code is not there. So this is a code. Okay.
Hmm.
And if you will run now, it will work and there is no error. Okay.
Hmm.
So now we need to, do you guys, you have any question or concern till now how we will do that? Shraddha,
No, sir.
Ajay,
No.
Sir,
So
I need to ask one question. Sir, whenever we add the service over here, if I have the other service, like just I created one other service over here in service folder.
same thing,
So,
same thing you need to do.
then,
You need to register.
okay, okay. So there is no compulsion to add only one service, no?
No, means in a real project you have a multiple services, multiple
Mm-hmm.
controller. Am I right?
Okay.
So, and I will say rather than ask a question, just try to do that and run your project. You will get your answer immediately. You understand my point, Madhuri?
Yes, sir, I have created.
No, you created, just add and try to run. If there is some problem, then you need to ask the question, hey, Deepak, I try to do that, it's not working. I'm motivating you or request you, try to do that. You will get your answer automatically from this ID only. Okay.
Yes,
You understand my point?
yes, sir.
Okay, now we need go to service and introduce this I configuration and I logger there.
Service.
Yes, I logger is already there, service is already there. And now what you need to do, uh, now you need to refer a file and change the code here. Okay, Adri?
Yes, sir. File. I just open this file. This second
Yeah.
one.
Yes, second. Go down, down. Yes, go to implementation part and down. I think it's 11 or 12.
Well,
Mm.
No. Yes, this is a this society model view foundation. Okay. I complaint service is there. Okay. Hold on. So dashboard view model. Yes. So they create a new view model and these things. Okay. Go down and complaint service. This is service and you can refer this. Okay.
Okay.
You can copy this code and move there and go down, please. Go down. Hmm, we already done that. And this is a controller. We are updating a controller as well. Okay. So this thing you need to try and step by step, but step by step. First, you need to check whatever I complaints interface we have. It's a same interface. It's a different.
Mm.
Check there, please. Let me tell you how you
These
can.
two are missing.
Mm, complaint service. Also, okay. Implementation. And fine. Mm, So there is no need to copy whole code there. Just you need to, you can say whatever method available with us, you need to take care of that. Otherwise, you can refer, if you want to do the same code, you need to refer first session number 4, injecting application services. Okay. Check here, check file, and the session number is 4 is there. 4. Yes, you need to refer this. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Yeah, this is the interface which they are using. Okay. You need to update this, your interface. And based on that, you need to update your service as well. Now, yes, you need to introduce this, which is available on our last. This is available in our last.
Then I need to update the service also.
Yes, definitely. It's required. Go down and there you will get that service. You need to implement that. So that is testability. Okay, 13. You need to refer 13. 13. Please refer 13.
Yes,
Section
30.
number 13. Everything is there. Interface is there. View model is there. Complaint service is there. Am I right? Controller is there. Program.cs file is there. So you need to refer 13, 13, 14, and 15. Session number 13, 14, 15. And guys, if you have any questions, first, Madhuri, do that, and after that we will run. And if you guys have any question, concern, feel free to ask. Service code you need to change. This a copy button is there. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Now you need to update this controller as well. Now you need to update the configuration. Could you check the configuration file as well, please? App configuration.json. Because they are using different things. Because in our code, this latest code, we need to use that. Otherwise, we will get an error.
This file, right? appsetting.json.
Yes, it's available on top, not available or top or middle. Yes, yes, this.
Whole file I need to copy this.
You need to copy this, but yes, go there. Yes, you can replace. Before. Okay, save this and try to run, please. Error. Congratulations, guys. We have error. Oh, it's loading. Why it's showing red there? Okay, so we are good with this. So now, guys, if you have any question or concern, that's fine. Otherwise, I will have some question for you, which you need to answer. Either you will ask a question from me, or otherwise I will ask some question from you regarding this topic only.
You can ask. We will try to answer.
Madhuri, Sharda,
Yes, right now no questions from our end. Just you ask questions and we will try.
okay, Sharda, you just tell me, means if you need to do this in your project, am I right?
Okay.
Like whatever we learned today, you need to introduce all these things. You need to introduce your service, am I right? New service, and what are how many steps are there, and what you think, how you will proceed with that.
Okay. Like, in the services, we have to create a service folder and then we have to add one class with the service name and
Okay, only service folder is required and service file is required.
no for that we have to before going to the service directly we have before that we have to create a logger and icon figure.
I configuration you need to create by your own.
No, we have to just call that.
Okay, just try to me summarize what you learned and step by step. Try to explain me step by step what you learned, and if you need to do by your own, how you can do that. Simple.
Complete
Let's
the
say now means Ajay and Madhuri do the practical, right?
right.
And if you need to do same thing and how many steps you are able to perform by yourself, I need to know that one. How many steps are there and which you think first I will take this step, second I will take this step, so that we are good there. Am I right?
So before we have to create one interface, we have to create interface folder and we have to
Okay.
create one interface.
Okay.
I complaint was there. Then with the I complaint, before moving ahead, we have ready with the models and the view also. Inside model, we have to add our model file like what we are creating. Complaint create view model. Then we have to add a folder services, and inside services we have to add a class file complaint services.
Okay.
And
And
yes,
what
right now I
service
can.
what service we will do? We will create the files. I am good. You know how many files you need to create. But what is the what you will do in a service file? It will extend some service. It's a child of something or what?
Inside services, we will call our interface I complaint service, which we have already created inside interface folder.
We will not call Sharda. We will implement. Okay.
Sorry, okay. The word I
Will
was
it's a inheritance. Okay. So
okay.
inheritance, it will, you can say, it's a implementation service is the implementation of our interface. Okay. And how we will, and it's not whatever you done, this file creation is not enough. Madhuri, to inject that, what is the step we need to perform? Which step we need to perform?
First, we need to register that service in program.cs file.
Okay, that's fine. And apart from that, we need to update something else or not?
In controller, we need to inject that service first
Yes, as a constructor,
as a constructor.
constructor injection. Okay. And Ajay, could you tell me how you can use this iLogger and this configuration, iConfiguration?
Actually, no.
No idea. It's already available services. Here you are on this screen. You are able to see. First, you need to create a variable. Those are
Hmm.
private variables. And in
Hmm.
a logger, you need to tell what is this, am I right? Where you are going to using this logger, so that
Hmm.
you can identify. Okay. And
Okay.
wherever you need to capture the log, you need to call that and do this.
Means where we can see the log of that logger.
It's inside your this console only.
Okay, means if we got any error, then here it will show.
Yes, you are able to see all these logs are from logger
Hmm.
only.
Okay.
So, sir, right now we cannot see any logs.
These are the info log because you are doing the info log only.
Hmm. Means we can create our logger.
Means this is an inbuilt logger. Why you
Hmm.
need to reinvent the wheel? It's already there. You need to use that and so means whatever information you want to log, you just log those.
But what if I have a error in our method or our class?
Mhm.
So then you will use there. Ultimately, you understand controller is there, service is there, and inside a service you are using some method. Am I right?
Hmm. Hmm.
You can pass in that manner.
Okay.
So, sir, if we are comment this and we check, so we can get that logs in our. Uh,
No, no, this is not a way because if you will comment this, it will
Mhm.
not. You can say you will means missing a part there. You are saying, hey, this part is not there, and if this part is not there, how it will track that logger? Because logger is when it will get a chance to execute, then you are able to see the logs only. If let's say you have something in your room, am I right? And you are saying, and you have a CCTV camera is there and it's focused on a something. Am I right?
Hmm.
And whatever you are doing, you are saying, hey, CCTV is focused on this part, but I remove the table, which is CCTV not taking care. Am I right? So you will not get that. You
Yes,
understand my
sir.
point, Madri?
Yes, sir. But how we know, right now I need to use this log information. Right now I need to use that log warning. Like
So
how?
basically, for that, as I
Mm,
told you,
mm,
monitoring is also required, guys. Let's say you will make something, am I right? For that, even in our houses, we require maintenance. Am I right or
Hmm.
not?
Yes.
So based on that, how you will know means there is a maintenance is required. When your electricity is not out of order, am I right? Seepage is there. Then based on that, you are able to take a decision. Hey, so in this system, we require some monitoring. With the help of we can say these things are, you can say, load is up. Now we need to increase our compute power horizontally or vertically. Now this error occur means there should be some log should be there. Based on that, you need to do that. Let's say you are making a payment, am I right? And you are using third party API, am I right? That third party is not up and running. So how you will know? With the help of logs only. Adri, you understand my point?
Yes.
Ajay, Sharda.
Yeah, when we will use, we will be more clear.
So basically, wherever you think, this can be, you cannot think only in a right manner or in a
Hmm.
happy case only. You need to think about a failure cases as well.
Hmm.
So in that case, loggers are required.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So for that, okay, let me stop the recording. Any another question, guys?
No, sir.